Let's create with AIMAGE right inside Telegram. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out AIMAGE. I got the link in the description. So we're going to create a couple of images here, and a couple of them already did. French toast, we got waffles, golf ball, basketball, and among other things. Now you could do this right inside the Telegram. Join the Telegram group where you can go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do image. And what should we do? Hey, why not do this? Beach with a Lambo. Okay? So I did / image beach with a Lambo. Okay? So it's going to take a little while for that to happen. While we're waiting, let's celebrate a new partnership with AIMAGE with companion bot ETH. Now, this offers a range of innovative AI-powered Telegram bots specializing in moderation, mixing, trading, and soon launchpad. So when I go click on here, I'll get a chance to understand more about the partnership. And you see this is innovating ERC20. It is a C-bot, which is a Telegram bot that's supposed to definitely help out with creative and trading and much, much more. Okay, so that's the partnership they just dropped. Let's go back to the Telegram, and voila. We have a Lambo at the beach, and it looks really good actually. So I can actually do it again and say, hey, I want a green Lambo, or I want a yellow Lambo. So there it is. So image. The next one we're gonna do is enhance. So this time I'm gonna do enhance, and enhance is basically it prompts it and create the image. So let me go ahead and do that. Enhance. I'll say green Lambo at the beach. Okay, it gives you a timer to give you, how long will this take? So we'll go ahead and go back to where we were. So we're talking about, last time we were talking about the partnership. Now let's talk about the price. Price right now is right there. And we have been seeing some movement in terms of the price. It started out with 5 billion in terms of tokens and part of the tokenomics. And also here's the websites that it all has here. You have your KYC, you can buy it, DEX tools, and much, much more. And it even says try AI image bots. You can do that right there. Very simple and very easy. So come back here. We now have a green Lambo, and it's looking smoking hot at the beach here because I told it to. I said green Lambo and enhance, and it looks really good. So enhance looks good as well. So the next thing we'll do, our final thing, is a sticker. Now, we like stickers because you can use this based off your description here. So if I say let's do this. Yellow apple in the snow. So apple in the snow. Let's just see what it does. This is a sticker. This will be a good enhanced type image, just like I did this Lambo. And then here I can always copy it. I can save this image and I can use it for different things as well. This is good if you are more in that creative standpoint, like a business or some type of situation where you just need an image just like that. And voila, look at this. I got an apple in a snow, and it's more like a sticker. So you really can use this for some of your creative as well. I can save it and I can use this for other things going forward. So if you want to create really cool images that I just showed you, you literally can go right here, back here. I have it in the description or around this video. You go to the link, start creating. It just says try the bot. So you can try the bot. While you're there, try the white paper as well. If you do more research about this, click on the white paper. It breaks it down, tokenomics, and also they have the holder access pricing chart here, okay? And of course, the pricing, you want to take out the chart because I know you definitely want to do that. But one of my favorite things is create, because I like the Lambo at the beach. My name is Shelton. I'm the captain here. Start creating today. Join the Telegram group and say the captain says, I'm here. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.